Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a nice rainbow. Let's start drawing. First, let's draw a cloud like this. Then I draw another one next to it. And now we draw the rainbow itself. I'm going to connect the clouds with lines like this, with semicircles bigger and bigger. Fantastic! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. And now color. Now we're going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with red. Then I use orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. And purple. I color the clouds with this light blue marker. Excellent! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.